Hey everybody, this is Mark with Pelican Wooden Things. How you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Today, since I injured my hand last week, we're going to be doing a simple project, an easy project that won't strain me too much. We're going to do a tool handle for a brass mallet. I'm using Purple Heart for the tool handle. Mark the center, draw a line from one corner to the other, and you got yourself a center. Over to the drill press to drill a hole for the to attach the brass mallet. Have to make sure it's level. And in the center, and here we go. Got a piece of tape on there to mark my depth. I got this from a kit I received from Penn State Industries. Well, I bought it. Not sponsored, so I just made it for my own personal use. Comes with the bolt, you see, and the brass head. Fits in like that. Whackety whack. Here we go. Let's mount this between centers. Bring in the tailstock. And the tool rest. Give it a couple spins to make sure it's not hitting anything. We'll be turning it around with a roughing gouge. Fresh off the sharpener. Now you see, once in a while I rest my tool on the spinning piece of wood, and when it runs smoothly I know I'm either very close or at round. No more flat spots. I'm going to be making the base end of the tool. Trying to cut a little notch here to establish the end, but it's slipping, so I'm going to switch tools. I think get the skew chisel out. So I'm doing here basically is cutting a V shape and just increasing it and going deeper to establish that base end of the tool. Once I get that established, I'll go back to the skew chisel and do some basic shaping. I'm going to round over the end for a nice comfortable fit. And you want to make sure you turn the tool to follow the curve as you go deeper into the cut. Or that'll happen, like a little skip there you saw. The tool catches on the wood and it pulls it towards the center. So make sure you always turn your tool. And get a start on the basic shape. Now move down to the head of the tool. Got a set of calipers with the proper size that would fit to the mallet, so periodically you check and then cut some and then check and then cut some until you get it down to the appropriate size. In a similar move to the base, I'll establish a little spot below the head of the tool for the tool to rest on, or the head to rest on. And again, turn your skew chisel, turn the spindle gouge to follow the curve that you want to establish. Going for a nice smooth surface here. And now for a little decoration. Return to the skew chisel. Add some lines for the decoration and for friction. And of course, on to sanding. Since this is a tool handle, I'm not going to sand very much. I'll just sandal up to, I will sand up to 220. Now use a little compressed air to blow all the dust out of the decorative lines and off the piece so I can apply a little Danish oil finish. You rub this on, let it soak in, rub some more on, let it soak in, and then wipe it off. It's more of a functional finish than a shiny, pretty finish, but of course, again, this is a tool. Now to part off the end with the parting tool. And as I get close to the center, put my hand around, catch it. Bada bing, there we go. I'll take it over to the disc sander and get rid of that nub and the little ridge around the edge there. All right, time to glue the bolt in. A little 5-minute epoxy. Makes it up good. Apply some to the bolt, some inside the handle. Slide it in. Wipe off the excess. Make sure it fits okay. And to the final assembly. A little more Danish oil to finish off the end that we just did. And now to brand in my mark. I made this brand with a bolt and a Dremel tool. Just carved in my initials. The end is pretty dark, so unfortunately you don't see the brand very well, and it definitely doesn't show up for the camera very well, but it's there, and I know it's there, so that's what matters. There we have it. A nice, easy tool for a week where I can take it easy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.